You will love the features of this 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. Here's an Avalanche that delivers the security and comfort of a full-size SUV and the practicality of a pickup. Smooth, quiet, rugged, and thoughtfully designed to be as pleasant to drive as it is useful. This versatility vehicle was designed with your lifestyle in mind. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, premium sound system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, alarm, front tow hooks, trailer hitch, Bluetooth connection. Feel comfortable and prepared in this versatile Avalanche. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.